Choosing the right DSLR camera today can be overwhelming. Fake specs, weak video quality, poor autofocus, and unstable footage often disappoint new creators. A good DSLR-style digital camera should deliver sharp photos, smooth 4K video, reliable autofocus, and features that support vlogging, YouTube, and live streaming. In this video, I've selected the top 5 best DSLR cameras that balance resolution, zoom, video tools, and ease of use. We analyzed online listings and real user feedback to shortlist these models. All product links are in the description for latest prices. Like, comment, and subscribe for more smart camera reviews. Number 5. 12x Optical Zoom DSLR Camera 64MP. This entry-level DSLR-style camera offers 64MP photo resolution with smooth 4K video recording, making it a solid choice for beginners. The 12x optical zoom allows clear distance shots without losing detail, while autofocus and anti-shake technology help keep videos stable. It's well suited for YouTube vlogs, casual photography, and daily content creation. The camera supports external storage and basic accessories, delivering decent image clarity and simple controls. If you want an affordable DSLR-like camera for learning photography and video, this model is a practical starting point. Number 4. 72-megapixel 4K DSLR camera with flip screen. This 72-megapixel DSLR digital camera is designed for creators who need high-resolution photos and flexible shooting angles. The 3-inch 180-degree flip screen makes it perfect for selfies, vlogging, and live recording. With 12x optical zoom and fast autofocus, it captures detailed images and sharp videos in different environments. 4K video support ensures clear footage for YouTube and webcasts. Compact and easy to use, this camera is ideal for social media creators, vloggers, and anyone upgrading from a basic point-and-shoot device. Number 3. 64-megapixel 4K Wi-Fi DSLR camera with touchscreen. This DSLR-style camera combines 64-megapixel photography with 4K video and built-in Wi-Fi for quick file sharing. The large 4-inch touchscreen makes menu navigation simple and allows accurate focus control. Autofocus performance is reliable, and the included flash improves low-light shooting. It's a great choice for YouTube vloggers who want wireless transfer, clean visuals, and easy handling. Whether you're shooting photos, recording videos, or live stream-style clips, this camera offers a balanced mix of smart features and solid image quality. Number 2. 72-megapixel 5K DSLR camera for vlogging and live stream. This powerful 72-megapixel digital camera steps things up with 5K video support, delivering sharper detail for advanced content creators. The 12x optical zoom, fast autofocus, and Wi-Fi connectivity make it ideal for YouTube, vlogging, and live stream use. Image quality remains clear even in motion, while video looks smooth and professional. Designed for creators who want higher resolution without complex setups, this camera offers excellent flexibility for both photography and video. A strong option for serious beginners and growing channels. Number 1. 64-megapixel 4K DSLR camera with webcam mode. Topping the list, this 64-megapixel 4K DSLR camera is built for modern creators who need versatility. It supports live streaming and webcam mode, making it perfect for YouTube, online classes, and content creation. The large 4-inch touchscreen improves framing and focus control, while autofocus ensures sharp results in both photos and videos. With HD video output and smooth performance, it works well as both a camera and a streaming device. Ideal for vloggers, streamers, and creators wanting an all-in-one solution. These DSLR-style digital cameras offer strong resolution, reliable autofocus, and features built for YouTube, vlogging, and live streaming. From beginner-friendly models to higher-resolution options, each camera delivers great value. Pick the one that fits your content style and budget. Comment your favorite and subscribe for more camera reviews.